Hi everyone, Rhonda from Tri-RRR-tistry. Today's video is going to be about this one behind me. The gold kind of took over, and depending on where you're at with the lighting, depends on how you see the gold, right? And what shadows are behind there. Unfortunately, my camera shut off kind of 3/4 of the way through this one. You'll get to see what colors I did. You'll get to see how I swiped it, so at least you'll get some idea, and then of course you get to see the finished product too. So don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button, and please comment down below on what you liked about it, maybe what some ideas that you have for me to do in future videos. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks a lot, and we'll get you on the canvas. Bye. Hey guys, so tonight is this one is my last pour tonight. And what I plan on doing is, well, let me just tell you the size of the canvas. It is a 24 by 36 canvas. It's the last one I'm gonna do tonight. And my plan is, it's gonna have a little base white, and I'll do a diagonal, and then I'll do a swipe. The swipe will be halfway here, so about wherever this angle is right here, that's where I'm gonna end. Okay, so it'll be like a little one. And then the same thing over here, I'll be swiping this way, and then it'll end up on this side. So it'll kind of overlap, but anyway, I'm gonna try it. I saw it on Facebook on one of the different ones that I follow. So let's just get the white base on here first. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. Tell me what you liked about this, what you'd like to see in the future, and then of course don't forget to click the notification bell so that way you can get notifications when I get a new video up. Thanks everyone. Have a great day. Bye for now.